In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw a large amount of money from Lloyds Bank UK. Firstly, visit your bank's website or open the mobile banking app of Lloyds Bank. Enter your login credentials such as username, password, or biometric login. Navigate to the Payments section, then choose Pay Someone New to add a new recipient. Provide the recipient's name, sort code, and account number, then input the amount you wish to send. Now add a payment reference for optional but useful for tracking. You may receive a 4-digit code via SMS or an automated call. Enter the code on screen when prompted and double-check all details for accuracy. Click Confirm to complete the transfer and you should receive a confirmation message or email. Visit, or you can do it in-person bank transfer by visiting a branch and choose the payment plan. Because no appointment is needed, just bring a valid photo ID. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.